That has got to be the weirdest looking KLX 250 I've ever seen. Is it even a 250? What is it? Is that a Ninja 250? Looks good, dude. What's up? This is 250L, yeah. I have no fucking clue what he said. We're gonna pull up over here, drink my little Red Bull, get some energy. There's always bikes here. A stretched CBR, EX10, Aprilia. Oh, is that the 210? Very nice, very nice. All right, guys, we are riding at golden hour. The sun is out, so are all the people. I was just hanging out at the art museum for a solid like 45 minutes, shooting the shit with some other dudes. Some dude with a ZX10, some dude with a brand new 210 V4. This guy's just blatantly crossing the road. Yeah, good times. Now I'm actually gonna ride. I haven't really ridden it all, so see what we can't get into. Willie the Bridge. I love it when people just try to ignore. Fuck you, you're a dick. Fuck you, asshole. People just try to ignore my wheelies. Like, come on, give me some props. My wheelies are sick. All right. This is like perfect riding weather now because it's so cool out. Feels freaking amazing. Yeah, there's no real plan to this video today, guys. I mean, not that my videos ever have freaking plans, if we're being real. We're just gonna rip around here quick, see what's going on, and go from there. Quick little dip into this very Asian themed building. Yeah, we really need to work on just super slowing it down. That's the one thing that the street is stopping me from doing, is I'm just chasing them on the street. Like right there. That's actually balance point. Can we do this? Oh, I think we can do that, right? Looks a little sketchy, but I mean, I want to do it. Yeah, there's nothing in the way. That's fine. To give you context though, guys, this is pretty steep, and I've never done real off-roading, so we'll still do it though. Wait, is that a tombstone? Now I feel like I'm disrespectful. I don't know what it is, but I guess we'll just send this in first gear, right? Woo! As long as you commit, that's all that matters, which we did. I'd say we can go down it. Woo! Wheelie first. Let's see what else we got here. My little corporate playground. What we got here now, just dumpsters down there. Some real urban exploration we're doing today. What do we got here? Probably trespassing now, right? It's a good balance point though. Oh, little view here too. Not bad. That's Manayunk. Not bad, not bad. Yeah, we just got to get used to that little floaty feeling. Are you practicing? Okay, nice. I'll get out of the way. Now he doesn't like me anymore. Over the speed bump. Heating up out here. Nothing like a motorcycle, I'm telling you. Like, what else could possibly compare? What else? I don't know. I couldn't tell you. We were getting extra floaty on that one. That was third gear. Nice Miata, I like that. Alright guys, so we are pulling up to Fairmount Park, which I suspect there's going to be a lot of people here. It's a beautiful night, but I also wonder if there's going to be some bikes out potentially. Not a ton of exciting stuff going on right now, guys. I'm sorry. Hopefully I'm exciting enough. See, that's what I gotta stop. That's a chase. That's such a chase. Like, that's not a good wheelie. That's better. Ah, fuck it. I'm done with this. I'm over it. Alright, I think those are just random people setting those off. Do a wheelie during the fireworks? Jeez. Literally, this must be what war sounds like. Look at all the smoke.